Hi, my name is May Shampolsky. I'm a criminal lawyer. I've defended thousands of people over the years. We represent people on crimes such as DUI, domestic violence, all the way up to murder, and all kinds of convoluted federal fraud, including PPP fraud. I've been practicing law since 1981, and the reason I'm a criminal lawyer is because I grew up on the wrong side of the tracks, and there were a lot of my friends and people I knew that got into trouble and they didn't know what to do, and I've always been able to speak well, so I like being able to speak for those who don't speak well themselves. What sets my business apart is we are fast, efficient, and creative. There may not be a way to win your case, but if there is a way to win your case, we will find it. Someone needs an attorney for a DUI case because it's a very specialized area and people don't understand. There are criminal consequences, such as you pay a fine, you may have to go to jail, and also there's what we call collateral consequences. You'll lose your license and right to drive for a while. Most people don't understand this, and they don't understand how to get around a license revocation, for instance. The one thing that most people don't know, if you're pulled over for a DUI, the police are going to ask you to do roadside tests. They're going to have you do follow the pen with the eye, which is called a horizontal gaze nystagmus test, walk 9 steps up, turn around, walk 9 steps back, and do a one-leg stand. These are very difficult to do even if you haven't had any alcohol. And here's the thing, they are not required. Police don't tell you this. Everyone thinks, gee, I have to do everything to police, but these tests do not help you. So my number one piece of advice is do not take the roadside tests. Many times the police will want to give you a breathalyzer at the scene. You do not have to take that test. However, if you're given a breath test or a blood test at the police station, you must take it, because if you don't, you will lose your license for an additional year. We are fast, friendly, and efficient. We will do everything we can to zealously represent our client to get the best result possible. So if you have a problem that you think you may be charged or have been charged with a crime, please call us. We can help.